We're going to take a look at the 40 engineering scale. This scale can be used for any one of these scale scenarios. 1:4 means that this would be 1 inch is equal to 4 inches. So this would be 1 inch is equal to 400 inches. We could use it in a civil application so that 1 inch is equal to 440 feet, or 1 inch is equal to 400 feet, and so on. We're going to take a look at 3 of the same dimensions, but we're going to apply different scales to that dimension so that we can see how our answer would change. Let's look at the first one. If we're imagining that 1 inch is equal to 400 feet, where I can see the actual inch, I can see that 4 lines right up with it. Instead of calling that 4, however, I'm going to now call that 400 feet. That means that this would be 1,400 feet. This would be 1,500 feet. And these tick marks here would be increments of 10. So this would be 1,510 feet. In the next scenario, I'm going to imagine I'm using this scale so that 1 inch is equal to 4 inches. Again, where that actual inch lines up with the 4, that is representing 4 inches now. And this is representing 5 inches, and this is 6. In this situation, the tick marks have to be equal to tenths of an inch. As we can't have this be 441, this must have to be 4.1 in order for this to be 5. So we'll go to the end of the extension line and see that we're at 15.1 would be our answer. With this answer, we can choose to write in the inch marks, or we can leave it blank because we're using 1:4. That's a choice. In the next example, we have 1 inch is equal to 4 feet. So this is now 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet. That means this must be 15 feet. And if this is 16 feet, these must be tenths of a foot. So this would be 15.1 feet. Now you can see how this would be confusing if we did not include the foot mark after this. These two answers, if I had chosen not to put the inch mark here and I forgot to put the foot mark here, these would read as 15.1 in both scenarios. So it makes it very important that we identify the units based on what we're using for scale. Because this scale is specifically saying we're using an inch as our reference on paper as being equal to 4 feet in real life, we have to show that this scale then is in feet.